Hello, happy traders. How are you? I hope you guys are good. Guys, thank you for liking and subscribe my channel. तो चलिए guys, आज देखते हैं कि मार्केट में क्या हो रहा है. तो guys, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मार्केट ऑल टाइम हाई है. Okay, you see from 24 the market is going upside, and again there was a gap up opening. The market went sideways. Suddenly the market skyrocketed up, and then it went up and up. Okay, now today, the market went down a little bit. Okay, and now still the market decided to go up. Okay, you can see the market is going up. So guys, what we can expect from this? Since today was Bank Nifty expiry, market didn't went down. Okay, I think the overall global sentiment is positive. Nasdaq is positive, Russia is positive, Singapore is positive. Okay, so FTSE is positive, Shanghai is also positive, Tokyo is also positive. So guys, what we can come to at this conclusion that the global economy is booming up. Okay, so it means that every stock and every share value and every ETFs, the price will keep on increasing. Okay, and those of you who think of shorting the position, is not the right time, guys. It is the time for bulls. Okay, so be very careful with this, and be very careful with your analysis also. Always have a patience and never try to short any of your position, because if you go for short, you'll get trapped and you will get knocked out. Okay, you lose all your hard earned capital. So guys, not to overtrade and not to take multiple decisions simultaneously at the same time. Think before taking any decision. Okay, what happens? What should I do? What should I not do? Just think it, give some time, because the market has a very slow movement. Okay, so every 1 minute there is a one move in candle, and then it goes on. So for the market opens from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. And why trader loses money, guys? Do you have any answers for that? It is because the time. Try to understand this. Our mind is something that keeps on, uh, pushing, pushing with something or the nothing. The mind cannot be stand still. Okay, so in market, when we look at it, we see a very volatile movement, up and down, up and down. So the market, what happens when we look into the market, we get attracted. It's not attracted. Okay, it's called a FOMO, fear of missing out. Okay, and it's going to impact us. That is going to impact us badly. So we feel that this is the right moment to buy the shares, and we enter into that buy position, and suddenly we realize that market went down. Okay, and this type of thing, and when we have a losses, then we become emotional, and then we try to overcome our losses. Okay, then we trigger the trade, and then sometimes we recover losses, we feel happy. Okay, and sometimes if we enter into the losses again, then today is not a day for us, right? We should quit it. But what happens with the beginner traders? Those of you who are a beginner traders, you guys keep on coming and fighting with it, overtrading, and result loss of capital. Guys, don't do overtrade. Take only one trade or two trades a day maximum. That's it. Okay, if today you didn't make money, it's okay, no issue, you will make money tomorrow. Okay, and guys, I should tell you the one secret. Okay, if you cannot take risk, don't enter into the market. Okay, if you have the capacity to take the risk, then jump into the market. Else, uh, going with one lot, two lots, or four lot is not going to fetch you a profit, guys. Try to understand what you're trying to do with four lots or five lots. The four lot is equivalent to 100 quantity, and if the price moves 5 points, then you will make 500 rupees, and if the point move against you for, okay, then you lose 500 points. So guys, try to understand what's going to get happen with that 500. Are you going to still make money in the market? If you think that if you made a 500 today, tomorrow you keep on repeating itself 500 day, yeah, that's a good, actually that's a good plan. But in reality, if you think that every day if you keep on making 500 day, or the most ideal situation which traders falls to this daydreaming, is something that, okay, today we I need to make 1000 rupees. So what I'll do, the market, we know in options the call goes 100 20 points up, or it may go 20 points down. So either if I buy a call of 1000 quantity of 22 rupees, and if I sold it at 23 rupees, then I made 1000 rupees profit one shot. And then next shot again I made another 1000 rupees, and if I keep on repeating this process again and again, so I'll become a millionaire, guys. It's not going to happen for you, trust me. If you have this type of fantasies, drop it. Okay, drop it immediately, come to reality. It's not going to work, guys. You'll end up losing everything. Never try to increase your risk without having sufficient backup capitals. Okay, and if you don't have that sufficient backup capitals, you'll end up losing everything. Try to understand everything. Okay, and if you don't have any backup capital, okay, or if you don't have any kind of support, please don't do stock market. The stock market is not meant for you. And yeah, if you think that world is idiot, then everyone would have been doing a stock market, isn't it? Nobody loves his or her job. Okay, no one. Okay, but if you ask the world that this other people's are why they're doing jobs, why don't they come and do stock market? So guys, the simple answer is no. They don't want to lose their hard-earned money. Okay, in fact, no one wants to lose their hard-earned money. So what happens, guys? Why this market is very complex? Why people loses money? Guys, in order to achieve success in market, you need to have a very strong mindset, guys. Look, without a proper mindset, you cannot do anything. Okay, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, okay, you're not going to be a successful. Okay, you are not going to become a successful. Okay, try to understand this. So how can you become a successful? There's only one way to become successful is to get a mentor guidance, guys. It is not possible. Look, I have so many years of experience. I have lost so many capital back 10 years ago, and now when I became like when I started trading, I keep on doing things. Even if I had a loss, it's okay. I was happy. Whilst I was consistent, guys. Try to understand one thing. And suddenly the one day I realized that okay, none of the things worked out for me. Okay, but there was one thing that's definitely worked out for me, and that was working very well for me. So I got that process, and I kept on repeating that process again and again. Soon I realized that okay, this is something that works for me, something that's going to mind my something. It was matching with my frequency. Okay, so the thing is that stock market, you need, everyone thinks differently according to his or her own capacity. Okay, so you need to be very careful with your decision, guys. That's all I want to say. And look, market is very complex. Okay, very complex. Why it is complex? Because it is something, it is driven by human nature. Okay, there is a greed and there is a fear involved into it, and there is no timeline, guys. Trust me, there is no timeline. Okay, who is putting capital and who is withdrawing capital, okay, who is buying, who is selling, you don't have any idea when there will be a volume is going to come, when there won't be any volume. Okay, so guys, all of this is going to get answered, okay, if you look at option chain. Okay, and you need to have at least minimum 1 year of experience with the market. Okay, consistently. Without that you cannot become successful, guys. Trust me, you cannot become successful. Okay, and there are so many things in technical analysis that I literally have no idea to tell. There are a lot of bunches videos in the YouTube. Okay, bunches of videos. Okay, I know most of them won't work for you, but there might be something that okay, you can take an example and you can find it out that okay, this is the thing that works for me and this is the something that does not work for me. At least you can get a trial and error, because someone who is putting the video is not stupid. Okay, he knows actually what works, and he has designed that video in such a way so that it may work for you. And if you're not smart enough to understand his style, then you may not be able to make profit out from his language. Okay, the education that he's trying to give. So the best way to learn is to find a mentor. And if if you're not aligned with your mentor, guys, how can you make profit? Okay, you have to get yourself aligned with the mentor. Choose whoever mentor you like. Okay, I'm not telling about the mentors. Okay, there are so many mentors. Okay, choose one, stick to him, do trading with him, ask him, take a permission that if can I sit beside you while trading stock market in the morning session. If if he allows you, guys, you are the most lucky person. Okay, you are the most lucky person. And if you sat next to him for even 1 month, I promise you that you will become a successful trader, guys. Successful. Okay, it's not something that you will not become. It is something like you'll get so much information, so much that literally, guys, I'm telling you that you will be it's going to reduce the number of working years in order to get you successful. Suppose if you have a capital and you are trading, and look, if you do any business, try to understand one thing. Any business, whether it's a real world or whether it's a stock market or whether it's anything, okay, you're not going to get successful. Accept it, digest it. That's the hard reality. Okay, you're going to fail a lot more. Okay, and once you break, uh, you will be totally heartbroken. Things doesn't work anymore, guys. That is what, that's how you need to, bounce up back. You need to be consistent with that, otherwise you'll not be successful. Okay, there are things that we need to understand, and sometimes some things get clicked very quickly and some things do not click us very quickly. Okay, we need to understand what actually the information we are trying to get. Okay, now the thing is that what should I do with my knowledge, guys? I'm telling you, stick with it, or learn it, do trading. My analysis are very simple. It is for everyone. Those who wants to do trading, they can come and they can join it. Okay, and soon I'll be making a Telegram channel. Okay, where you can get all the receipts and update, but you will not be getting any calls. Okay, you can get an interaction, get a chance to interact with me. Okay, but you will not get a chance to uh, get a call from me. Okay, you can get only the private mentorship, guys. And important thing for you everyone, that you guys need to have patience. Okay, now you're not a kid that does not understand the word patience. Go on, google it, try to understand what the patience means. Okay, and give time, guys. Okay, it is not something that you will become successful. Now I'm telling you, most of you are very advanced, young age, young blood, hot blood. Okay, very aggressive. They can do boom bam into the stock market. Okay, I respect those people, those who can do boom bam into the stock market. They're very aggressive. Okay, but for how long? Okay, those people who have designed market and those who have been trading into the market are not full. Okay, they're not full. They are the real tigers. Okay, and they are with a lot big more capitals. If once they deploy the capital, the direction of the market changes. Okay, so you cannot mess with them. Okay, you have a limited capital and you cannot change anything. Okay, but they have millions and billions of capital. Okay, if they want, they can put the market very up, they can put the market very down. The best example I want to show you guys is this one. You see what kind of manipulation is this? Okay, one shot a day before yesterday and then market skyrocketed up. Okay, this is the one shot. It was the market was consolidating. It looks like the market went up, suddenly they took it down, and over they find it support. Market went up. Now again the market consolidated. All the decay has been happened over here. Again the market went up. Now it went down. Okay, now if you see that, if you would have taken a position over here, then you would have made a profit over here. Guys, you wouldn't have been getting anything in today's market. What we expect, what we saw, the market was trading all-time high, but calls value was not increasing at all. Okay, not even. And even the put value were not decreasing. It means that something fishy is going on, right, guys? Something very fishy. Okay, so option is very complicated. Trust me, if I try to go and explain everything, every logic, I may go mad. Then I'll come to realize that, okay, is it a kind of gambling? Because we always comes with the probabilities. If the probability is in favor, if the market fundamentals are in our favor, then there comes a market news. Okay, someone or the other is going to have bring a negative impact on the market, and that negative impact is not going to help us, guys. Trust me, it's not going to help us. There always it will give us an discomfort, and negative things is going to break you into the market because it's going to demotivate you. So if you're planning to buy a 1000 quantity, you'll be afraid that what happens if I lose that 1000. Okay, so before trading any stocks, try to think that, okay, if I have 500 or 1000 rupees, will I be happy if I lose it? The question will come to you, and you'll get the answer by yourself. If you think that, okay, I'm happy, then have a proper stop loss, have a proper entry as per your capital. Okay, not as per the market capital, that there is the bottom, I need to place stop loss here, this is something high, I need to break my something here, entry price should be here, and this would be my overall risk zone, and this would be somewhere around my target zone. No, you cannot. Okay, you cannot do that. Okay, you always have to play this game in the sense of probability. If the market may go up, if the market go down, okay, but the probability is something that's going to pay you. You need to hedge your position, guys. Okay, sometimes, yeah, if the trend is very clear, like for the past 3 days, you see the market is still going up and up. So the 1 2 3, the next day the market is going to fall. Why? Because tomorrow is bank nifty, tomorrow is Thursday expiry. Okay, nifty expiry. So definitely the nifty went all time high up, and I expect some sort of retracement into the market, and that replacement is going to help a lot. So most of you, I know this video is going to be get too long, sorry guys, but there is a very crucial information I'll be giving, and yeah, there are more informations I'll be deploying into this channel, and I hope if you are following to this, you'll be very very profitable one. Okay, you don't have to go on and meet with every traders or Instagram traders or whatever the stuff is out there. Okay, don't get fallen trap. Okay, you need to have a very strong mindset, guys. Trust me, if I'm talking about the mindset, guys, if you're weak, then get out. The market is not meant for you. Okay, market will not show you any sort of emotions or mercy that, oh, you lost your money, don't worry, I'll give you. No one is going to come and save you, guys. No one. Okay, and if you think that you know some sort of algorithms that works out, guys, you don't even know how market is designed. Okay, so stay away from the market if you are thinking about some algorithms that you have figured it out. No, it's not. Okay, every big hedge fund makes money on basis of probability. Okay, the biggest probability lies in the option writers. As you know, there is a 60% the probability favors lies into their hand, and call option buyers, their probability is only 30%, because after every expiry the contracts falls to zero. Okay, even if the share is trading, trigger is trading at somewhere around 67, after 12:30 that ticker has to go zero on day of expiry, guys. Can you stop it? No, you cannot stop it. Okay, the time theta decay, try to understand time decay. Okay, okay, it has been applied already. Now this benefit is going to be taken by option writer. Okay, well, that's a different separate video, guys. For that, we'll have a talk for that in other videos. Well, it's going to be a very long one. So anyway, guys, I realized that what to do tomorrow, about tomorrow analysis. Well, nifty is trading all-time high. We will be bullish, but since tomorrow is option expiry, be very cautious that it is a bullish market, and if the market goes down also, then be some sort of retracement to this level of 23,000 over here. 23,600 might be 700 if I be saying in a round figure, but thing is that uh, the put value may not rise up. Okay, if the market falls down, the put value may not rise up, and if the market has fallen down and if the market is rising up, okay, the call value may drastically increase. Okay, so this is the thing you guys have been witnessing, that yeah, while trading the call values are sometimes increasing and sometimes the call values are not increasing. Okay, we'll have a separate video for that. I'll teach you in detail actually why that thing what happens and why not. So till then, guys, I hope nothing much to say. Be bullish, what else can I say? Because if the market is bullish, the sentiment is overall bullish, global economy is bullish, so if the market retraces back also, then hold it. Yeah, just hold it, b you will get something. And well, nothing much to say about that. I hope you guys will be enjoying this video. So best of luck, happy trading, best wishes, keep learning, keep sharing, and keep subscribing. Thank you guys.